Hello everyone. I've got another 4 quick cards to share. This time I am using the card kit of the month from April of 2020 called Weekend Fun, and I'm also using these card bases from this package, and it's a Maggie Holmes American Crafts package. So here is the card blank, and you could use whatever pattern paper you had or just use a white card base or one of those colors as a card base if you didn't, if you don't have this card kit, or any card bases you have in your stash that are kind of neutral that might go with these colors. I liked the light pinks and that tan that's in the background there, and so I'm using some cardstock and paper from the pink paper, I believe is from the kit, and then that cardstock was actually adhesive cardstock that I had in my stash, and I'm using, this is a flower from my stash that I've had for decade, or well, more than a decade really. And then the chipboard stickers come from the kit, and so do the die cut birds. So any old flower as the focal in that left hand side, and I've kind of tilted the mounting squares or there, and then I'm putting the bird on the right and then another bird in the flower. And then these chipboard stickers are going to go right on top, and they say hugs. I think I'm going to use, I have a little puffy sticker also that I'm going to put in here. Now I'm using this Glad press and seal because I couldn't get that straight to save my life if I just eyeballed it. And I kind of like some things to be straight. Like these stickers, it looked really good how it was laid out originally on its acetate holder. So I wanted to keep it looking like that, and by all means you could tilt your stickers, but the Glad press and seal has actually been pretty handy. So this is the puffy sticker. It says best friends, and that's it for card number 1. On to the second card. I'm going to use a piece of cream cardstock, and then the paper, the crown paper, is from that paper pad that came in the Weekend Fun kit. I loved that paper. It's beautiful. And I'm going to adhere that down. And then I've pulled in, I'm not sure if this gold butterfly die cut came in the Weekend Fun kit or if it was in a previous, some other Spellbinders kit. And then the chipboard sticker came in that month's kit. And the Celebrate, I think, did also come in the kit. But they do often in the kits include similar die cuts of sentiments like that. And so this other butterfly is also one just I had in my stash. So any old neutral-ish or coordinating color of butterfly would work in your case if you're making this card. And actually, you could just go with the one butterfly, but I wanted a little bit of dimension, and so that's why I found that other butterfly to put behind, and it was a similar shape. They're not exact match, but you can see how you can take things that are similar and make them work together. These two particular butterflies did not come in any way together, but I made them work together. And that's the second card. The third card, again, is using that pink paper from the paper pad, and another cream cardstock rectangle, and this chipboard sticker, which I really liked the sentiment on that. I think it says, "We are stronger, funnier, happier, crazier together." Perfect sentiment for the year 2020. Oh, and I almost, you see what I'm doing here? I almost put it on upside down. I do that a lot. But yeah, that's why, the tape runner that has a little bit of flexibility, you can kind of pull it off, is better for me. And sometimes I just have to learn to double check before I glue it down. And then other times I have ended up cutting the card front and just putting it on a different base. So then I have that gold heart, I believe is from the kit. It's a die cut from the kit. And then the other sticker with the white is a planner sticker that came in one of those packs of planner stickers, but it's gold and it matches. And these words are from previous Spellbinder kits. I have an ephemera type holder that I've grouped a lot of the gold things together in, and so I can just look and find what I want that way. So I'm not sure if both the You Are and the Awesome, I think one of them was not actually in the Weekend Fun kit, but I had it set aside. I'm not sure about that, but again, this paper and the other paper are from the kit, and then I'm pairing it with a cream cardstock from my stash. I don't even remember if the Weekend Fun kit came with cream cardstock or not. I'd have to go back and look, but you know, I have a lot of different colors in my stash of just scraps of cardstock, so put that together there. And that is up on some thin mounting tape that here I'm removing. Then the Sip Sip Hooray is that dimensional sticker there you see in the bottom. And the two champagne bottles, those are die cuts from the kit, the Weekend Fun kit. It's not quite showing up there, I was trying to say. The one says Bubbles, the one behind. I guess I didn't want that one showing, so I covered it up kind of with the other one. I kind of wanted this to be a little more of a neutral Celebrate card, you know, so that I could use it for more things. And I liked this card base, if you can see there on the top right, has in the background it says Celebrate Today. So when I put my focal point down, I made sure I didn't cover that up, because I kind of goes with the idea this is celebrating some sort of something you want to celebrate. And that's it for the last card, the fourth card. Here's some stills of the photos, close-ups, and then I'll have a picture of all of them together. Thanks for watching again, and have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!